The 13 on Your Side weather deck is brought to you by Montel Construction. Quality made simple.
All right, Laura, I just want to focus on the sun right now because I don't even want to think about what is coming tomorrow.
Yeah, let's not talk about that.
No, no.
I know so many people.
If we ignore it, maybe it'll go away.
Yeah, of course. It is late April. It is unusual, but it's not unprecedented. And what we're talking about, of course, is the snow. There's also a large bug that just buzzed by me. Hopefully it wasn't that water bug that attacked George. Some folks are saying they're coming for us because of what's coming in the weather. Well, let's take a look at today, first of all. It's going to be a beautiful afternoon with sunshine, and even though it's cooler temperatures that we'll have versus yesterday, still going to be pretty comfortable outside. Now, a little breezy at times, and we've got a wind advisory to talk about, but your weather ball is solid blue today. Cooler temperatures in view, and this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Still pretty comfortable outside, and we've lost a lot of the clouds, and in fact, we're going to keep it sunny for the rest of the afternoon. Probably not seeing many clouds at all from this point on, especially once those clouds do move out. 56 right now in Fremont, but look at those winds from the northwest, gusting up to 31 miles per hour, sustained at 24. So it is going to be a gusty afternoon, and expect those winds to continue to stay strong, anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour, and could be gusting up to 45. So a couple power outages, not impossible. Wind advisory goes until midnight tonight, and we'll see that expire from there. Winds starting to go down in the overnight. But that's just one part of this wild weekend of weather, and we are of course talking about the system that's coming next. Pretty quiet right now as this one moves out of the realm, and then rain snow mix developing. That's going to start off to the Great Plains, actually giving more snow to Wisconsin, Minnesota, but here in West Michigan we will still get in on a little bit of that too, and it looks like it's trending south now. So for a lot of us that might mean no snow at all. But let's take a look at the model forecast. The rest of today looking quiet, a couple of clouds up to the north, going into the overnight with clear skies, and that means chilly temperatures too. Frost could develop, maybe even some freezing temperatures, so you might want to cover up those sensitive plants outside. Tomorrow morning, short window of sunshine, and then we cloud over and we get the showers coming in the afternoon. So the morning looks dry if you've got some things that you've got to do outdoors. Starting off as rain too, as those temperatures warm to the upper 40s. So we will be at least warm enough to start with rain, and then switching to snow as we get into the overnight hours, and those temperatures hold in the upper 30s. And look at this. Look at where the snow is drifting toward, the south right now. So I-94, you're actually going to see probably the bullseye for the most snow out of anybody in West Michigan. It's up to the north, Ludington, Big Rapids. You're probably going to miss out entirely on this. So look, consider yourselves lucky, I would say. Dry by the time we get to Sunday, and we'll probably see a lot of this snow melting, if there is any that sticks around into the afternoon hours as we climb up to about 50. Which is cold for this time of year, but at least it's going to be sunny and warmer, I should say, on Sunday. Here's a look at just one model amount. Keep in mind these could vary a little bit, but I would say probably going to see several inches for Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, and South Haven at this point. About 1 to 2, maybe up to 3, close between I-94 and I-96, and then north of there probably seeing less than an inch. So Grand Rapids area, Holland, and Muskegon probably seeing right around an inch. And for some of us, that could be record-setting. Kalamazoo, late season snow, and this is over 1 inch. Look at that. We've only got top 4 events, and you could be seeing some of these topping off around there. So we might be making that history of a top 5 in Kalamazoo. Looking at your 8 to 14 day temperature trend, at least we're going back to average temperatures, it looks like. Not looking too warm, but at least it's going to be right around seasonable numbers for the next couple of weeks. Today, temperatures in the 50s on the lake shore, low to mid as you go down the coast. Temperatures in the mid 50s inland too, and farther south 60 for Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo. Everybody else falling short a degree or 2. Your 13 on your side forecast shows a chilly weekend, but at least it's sunny on Sunday. Look at next weekend. We've got a couple rain showers to get through this midweek, but by next weekend we're talking 60s and sunshine for both Saturday and Sunday.